United we stand, united we rise, with more unity to save our lives. So much energy directed at submission. We can't be controlled without our permission. Listen to our spirits, concentrate on our visions to begin spiritual living. United we fall, submitting to them lies. They feed off our ignorance to control our lives. Put an end to that darkness, let the light shine. Give them the boot, take back the mind. Too much energy, used the wrong way. Same old song, stop letting that song play. Change gon' come when we decide to change. Looking outside ourselves, things stay the same. Our power's much stronger than they foolery. We need to come together to raise spiritual unity. We are the world, we're controlled by the system. We are the spirit, we are God's children. We are one, pulled in different directions, and we've been fooled, given damaging perceptions to follow this dark road away from spirit, lost in the energy of majority's feelings. A wave created to destroy us, so far from the truth and everything they told us, giving generations false information, enforcing lies with dedication, the killer movement of the spiritual beings. I can't believe what I be seeing, and now that I see it, I'ma spread that light. We need to come together and share that light, and light of spiritual freedom for you and me. Become stronger together with spiritual unity. Power numbers, they wanna keep us under their control and straight steal our souls. The minute we say no, things gon' change. Take back our power and break them chains. Them spells can be broken from the path that's chosen, going the wrong way without us knowing, dictating our energy. Friendly enemies, everything is fake, going on for centuries, don't mean that it's true. They need to stop lying, time to come alive and stop dying. They figure they got us from years of doing this, don't even hide it no more. The way they try to ruin us, not me, I don't accept this. We need to stand strong and destroy their weapons. It stops now, no more what it used to be. Change the dark with the light, a wave of unity.